Hello, I'm Matt, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. It has been something people have been doing since 1980 when it came out. Now, because you're beginners, we're going to start with the green. Look for the green middle, which is right here on my cube, and I'm just going to, first put a piece in, and seeing as these two pieces are here, I'm going to just push them up so they're there. Now let's see what they are. Oh, look, there are two green and orange pieces. So now we gotta look for the orange middle piece. Let's see. It is right there. So we're gonna move the middle down so that this is now here. You're going to twist it once, push up, so it's now here on the bottom row. Now you twist it so it is underneath. There. It is underneath that. So you're going to push it so that's there again. Now twist it round twice, push up, and look, we have all three orange pieces. Now you can either do white, because that's white and green, or you can do yellow and green. And seeing as there's a green piece here with yellow, I'm going to do yellow first. So notice how there is this in the way, and if I push this up, it will just move the middle piece, which we don't want. So here's an easy way to do it. Okay. We're going to move this way, push up, then move it back. See? Now we have our middle piece and we have a yellow piece and green. Now look for the last green and yellow piece. And there it is. So we're just going to put that here underneath it, because you always want it underneath. And see, there's nothing here, so I can just push up so it fits in. So now we have like half a M or W, but we have this, so it's not really, so it looks like a sort of. Oh, anyway. Now we're going to look for a red, green and red, and here is a green and red. See, I put it directly underneath, but see, there's something here, so we have to just move the back one, because that's the only one in the way. Then we're going to push this up, then we're going to move that back, so you have it. And now we're going to look for the green and red piece, and you want to move this out of the way again, and you want to push up so these all match, and then you can bring that back. And now we need our last piece, which is a green and white, which can be found right there. So I just try to put it underneath, and remember, you have to move these. I'll put it in the camera for you to see. We want to move this here so it's out of the way, then we can push up and then push back this way. Now you have solved the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. And sometimes you get these, but sometimes it's like this. It's just turned, so all you want to do is just keep turning until it matches. And now they all match. Now, next we're going to solve all the corners that haven't been solved. And what you want to do is look for a piece that it has to always be in the middle part here, or it's not gonna work. Now you just want to swivel it around. So you notice this is white and orange. You always want a piece like this to be in this color. So this is orange, so I put it in orange, and it's gonna go there. So a piece here will either go here or here, depending on which way you do this algorithm. And the algorithm to do this is, for if you were moving it to the right side, so the algorithm is left inverted, up inverted, right inverted, down, right, and then just pull these back together and push up. Notice how it is now in the right place, the orange and white. And now you do that again. And this one's a red and white, so we're going to put this in the white, and you want to do it again. So left inverted, up inverted, right inverted, down, right, and just put these together and push up. And notice how the red and white are in the position. Now keep doing this until you have all sides. So this one's red and yellow, and right now is in the right place, and you want to do left inverted, up inverted, right inverted, down, right, and then meet these and push up. Now you want to do the same thing and the last one right here. This time we're gonna move it this way, so it's the opposite. So it'd be right, up, left, down inverted, left inverted, and then you meet these, and then you just push up. Now you have all these right. And now we're going to use some algorithms. The first algorithm is to get the blue cross at the top, and it is F R U R inverted, U inverted, and front inverted. Now do that again. F R U R inverted, up inverted, and front inverted. F R U R U R I U I F I F R U right inverted, up inverted, and front inverted. Now we have a blue cross, and it's all still done. And now you want to match up two of the